Alright, so here's a quick tutorial for Jonas here. So if you would like to change network adapter options to do, things, you go here, Network and Internet Settings. You go to Change Adapter Options. You right click on your Wi-Fi network. Click Properties. Click Configure. Advanced. Network address, it might not be at the exact bottom, it could be somewhere else. Take this number, highlight it, replace it with any random number. I generally think the values near the start should be higher. I'm not really sure if this is a thing, but sometimes when I do like lower numbers in this first number, it breaks and makes me do it again. You click OK, and then you wait. It says network cable unplugged. Should reconnect. Identifying. And then once it has finished, voila, you've got internet. You can load, YouTube, Amazon, some songs Rust thing. You've got internet. That's it. Good luck.